Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Toyota Corolla LE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, lightly tinted glass, and much more. If you're looking for a small sedan that covers all the basics and then some, the 2016 Toyota Corolla may be just right for you. This Corolla has 16-inch steel wheels with covers and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Corolla is in great condition. It has auto-off, projector beam LED low beam daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with a really nice Argent grille and the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 1.8 liter engine with a variable transmission. This Corolla has front wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 32 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Corolla has only 18,967 miles on it. At the back of the Corolla, you can see the large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Corolla has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest and the cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Corolla is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and in-dash storage. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Corolla has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.